the Justice Department is directing prosecutors to stop limiting defendants' ability to seek compassionate release in most federal plea agreements, after advocates criticize the practice as cruel and against the intent of Congress. DOJ officials handed down the order a month after an NPR story detailed the practice, which curtailed people's ability to petition for release from prison because of severe illness or other extraordinary circumstances. That story drew the attention of Attorney General Merrick Garland, who this week said it seemed wrong and pledged to fix the issue. In a new letter, members of the U.S. Senate also expressed alarm at the waivers, which they said had been used in Arizona, Indiana, Ohio, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Tennessee, Massachusetts, Maryland, and Illinois. This is a particularly pernicious practice because 97% of convictions are waived. The lawmakers want the Justice Department to share how many people have signed federal plea deals that include those waivers. For now, they're relying on a few stories of people across the country. One 65-year-old man in Arizona fought for months to withdraw his guilty plea after realizing it included limits to his ability to seek compassionate release. In another case, in Northern California, Senior U.S. District Judge Charles Breyer called the limits unconscionable and inhumane. The new directive, obtained by NPR and signed by Deputy Attorney General Monaco, said that the majority of U.S. attorneys have not been requiring defendants to. Still, she said, making the change apply nationally is important as a matter of consistency and in the interests of justice. As a general matter, plea agreements should not require broad waivers of the right to file a compassionate release motion, Monaco wrote in a memo dated March 11. Monaco added that if defendants had already entered a plea, prosecutors should decline to enforce the waiver. The Justice Department memo said there are select instances where prosecutors still may ask for a much narrower waiver, such as exceptionally rare terrorism and homicide cases. Kevin Ring, president of the prisoner advocacy group FAMM, which alerted DOJ officials to the practice, said he was mostly pleased with the change. It will stop federal prosecutors from demanding that all defendants who plead guilty give up their right to seek compassionate release, even when the